What's up, you guys? I'm back, and today we have RINGTONE APOKO. Now, RINGTONE has issued a statement after his confrontation with blogger Alai. I'm sure by now you guys do know this. RINGTONE was allegedly attacked by Alai earlier today, and it was crazy. Now, RINGTONE has talked about this situation, and this is what he had to say.
Nataka thank Wakenya wote ambao wameniombea after the assault and attack, and I want to thank the doctors of Kenyatta National Hospital for working on me, and I just want to ask my fans to continue to pray for me. Na mimi I'm law abiding citizen, nitaongojea sheria ichukue mkondo wake na muendelee kuniombea. God bless you and thank you.
Now, reports also do say Alai was arrested and detained at the Kilimani police station because of these allegations that he beat up RINGTONE with a Rungu. So that's what we know for now. Hopefully we'll get more details about this situation.